All you guys out there who've been looking for quads, this show is for you. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Investment Properties for Sale show. I am your host, James Wise, and today I've got an action-packed show for you. It features my absolute favorite type of investment, quads. Before I get into today's quad, I want to talk about a couple things really quickly. Number one, Tenants From Hell, my most popular video. Holton Wise TV's most popular video ever was the time we evicted a tenant live. As I talk about it right now, we are well over 825,000 views. We have another live eviction that is going to launch on Holton Wise TV within 2 to 3 weeks of you watching this video right now. So stay tuned for that. A lot of you on the last live eviction, you wanted more content from the property after the tenant was removed. We ended that video on the day the tenant was removed. By the way, if you actually haven't seen that video, I've got a link to it in the show notes below. In the next video, the next live eviction, we took you guys well past that. We actually did the live eviction, but then we rehabbed the property and we actually took you guys in there when we found a new tenant. So stay tuned to Holton Wise TV so you can check out the next live eviction. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about really quick is my partners down in Indianapolis. If you've been paying attention to this show, you guys know that I am hot on Indianapolis. I think the Indy market outside of Cleveland, y'all know I love Cleveland, but outside of Cleveland, I think Indy is the hottest turnkey market in the country. And my guys, FS Houses, they are doing a lot of stuff down there. It's very similar to what we're doing here in Cleveland. I want you guys to take a quick look at what those guys are doing down there in Indy.
Based in Indianapolis, Indiana, FS Houses is the premier investment property brokerage. With an in-house property management department that can take care of all those unwanted landlord headaches, FS Houses can offer you the complete turnkey solution as well as wholesale properties offered to you at a discounted rate. With a network of thousands of active investors, wholesalers, and brokers, FS Houses can help you sell your property for top dollar on the open market or in a hurry to motivated investors seeking distressed real estate. Visit fshouses.com or call 317-492-9025 for more information on the Indianapolis, Indiana real estate.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching. That quick word from my guys, FS Houses down in Indy. Connect with them by clicking in the show notes below. But without further ado, let's get into the property today. Up here in Cleveland, 3109 Walton Avenue, Cleveland 44113. Y'all know that I love quads. Quads are my absolute favorite type of investment. Why? Because we are limited to 10 residential mortgages. I don't know about you, but if I could only get 10 residential mortgages, which are the best type of financing in the world, I would rather get 40 rental checks every month than 10 rental checks. That just makes sense, right? So this one, it's actually 2 duplexes on 1 lot. We should be able to get you residential financing for the whole thing. I have priced it at $139,900. Currently right now, it's bringing in $1,275 a month because 2 of the units are vacant. As you can see from the footage on the screen, though, these units are totally ready to go. This property is currently being managed by Holton Wise, so we handled the renovation. As you can see, we've got neutral colors throughout this unit. We got the nice neutral flooring. This is a hardened unit, okay? You don't have any carpet down here, so this is going to be something that weathers the storm when you're doing turnovers. Because turnovers, man, that's the name of the game. It's real estate investing, guys. I can't stand here on Holton Wise TV and tell you you're never going to have turnovers. You are. That's just part of the game. But what you want to do is you want to harden your units. You want to renovate your units in a way that when the tenants move out, you can quickly, efficiently, and cheaply get in, fix the unit up, and put it back on the market. So both of these units have been rented by Holton Wise. As you see, very neutral color schemes. Market rent for each of these units is going to be $700 and $575. So this building, which again I've priced it at $139,900, is going to bring us $2,550 a month in gross income. Do the numbers yourself. If you've been watching the MLS Search and Analysis show, if you haven't, I've put a link to some of those shows in the show notes. I show you exactly how to break down all of the numbers in a rental property so you can get your NOI, you can get your cash on cash return, you can get your cap rate. So check those out if you need help learning how to analyze the numbers, and if you'd like to see how I analyze the numbers. You want to check those out. Once you run your own numbers, it's fairly obvious to me that you're going to think, wow, this is an amazing deal. On top of everything I've just mentioned, I am pretty high on this particular neighborhood, okay? I'll put this in the show notes as well. But, if you've looked at the Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods, you'll see that I have rated this little area of Cleveland as a D neighborhood. So there's going to be some risk involved with that. However, I am very high on this particular D neighborhood, and this is what I'm going to put in the show notes for you below. The Ultimate Guide, that's in the show notes too. But MetroHealth, that is a very large organization. They are right in this neighborhood, and they have recently committed $1 billion to developing this neighborhood. So I am incredibly high on this particular neighborhood. I see a lot of upside happening in the future. So we've priced it incredibly well. The cash flow's coming in, 4 rental checks for only 1 mortgage. On top of that, I'm really high on the future of this neighborhood. So I'm anticipating a ton of interest, a ton of offers coming on this property from all you guys. So if you want to make an offer, just send it to me via email. That's the easiest way for me to field all of your offers. jameswise@holtonwise.com. When you send me that offer, understand you're not the only person sending me the offer. So you need to include your proof of funds or your pre-approval letter. I'm not going to field offers that don't have proof of funds or a pre-approval letter. If you're new to the game, you're just getting started investing, this is the first property you've ever tried to buy, and you don't have lenders yet, that's okay. Send me an email. I'll provide you with a list of my lenders. They write loans to investors like you. Doesn't matter if you've never invested before. Anyone in all 50 states, as long as your income and your credit, as long as those qualify, they'll write you 30-year loans. You could be in California, they could be in New York, and the property can be in Cleveland. They'll write you a loan. And you guys, you could use these lenders if you're buying in other states. So if you're buying down in Indy from my guys, FS Houses, these same lenders can help you out. So again, shoot me the email if you're ready to make an offer, jameswise@holtonwise.com. Shoot me an email if you just want my list of lenders. I'll get you those lenders. You may be a little late to the party on this property, but that's okay. I am the #1 seller of investment properties in the Cleveland market. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because I'm going to have another opportunity for you tomorrow, the day after, and the day after. We send out deals every single day at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you're subscribed to our mailing list. You can do that in the show notes below. As always, I'm James Wise with Holton Wise, and this is Real Estate Investing Made Easy.
Cleveland, Ohio is widely considered to be one of the top rental markets in the entire United States. This is because here in Cleveland, our housing prices are low and our rental prices and demand are high. At Holton Wise, we provide the complete turnkey solution for all real estate investors, whether they are local, out of state, or even abroad. As real estate brokers, we will provide you with agent representation to help you buy properties ranging from single-family homes to large apartment complexes. We even have referrals for lenders who can provide investment property loans to investors located in all 50 states, allowing you to capitalize on the use of leverage or other people's money. We have referrals to top-notch title companies so you know that all of your transactions are safe and secure, with every single property being delivered to you with clear title. Once you close on the property, we have an investor-focused insurance brokerage who can handle all your property insurance needs. This insurance brokerage handles auto, home, life, and business policies, but they specialize in working with policies for landlords. We also have full-service property management. We can handle all rental property advertisements, tenant placement, rent collection, evictions, maintenance, landscaping, construction, and repairs. In addition, Holton Wise also offers digital media and education. One day, when you are ready to sell your investment, Holton Wise, as the #1 seller of investment properties in the greater Cleveland area, can market your property in a video just like this one to our worldwide base of investors who are looking to capitalize on the high cash flow opportunities in the Cleveland, Ohio market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest content, including video tours and analysis of investment properties that are available for sale, real estate investment education, and our most interesting encounters with tenants from hell. Holton Wise, real estate investing made easy.